Ciao, you might not be very keen on fish, but just watch this short video and try this recipe and you might change your mind. I'm pouring a little olive oil on a lovely Plaice fillet, ensuring that the entire surface is covered on both sides, skin included of course. And I'll put it on one side while I prepare a little marinade. Fresh parsley, couple of leaves of sage, and I'm quickly going over with a knife and chopping them into small pieces. Couple of spoons of breadcrumbs. Add my herbs. Lemon zest from half a lemon. Pinch of salt and pepper. Mix everything together. Fish goes on top. Turn it around, ensuring that the marinade and the breadcrumbs are properly covering the fish. Tray lined up with some baking paper. Now doing the other piece. In he goes as well. And I'm sprinkling some of my leftover breadcrumbs on top as well. Parmesan cheese on top. I've just halved a few baby plum tomatoes, or you can use normal plum tomatoes or cherry tomatoes, it doesn't really matter, entirely up to you. And in they go on top. These are green pitted olives that I keep in olive oil. I just get a few out. I'm chopping them in half. There is also the odd piece of sun-dried tomato. I keep them together with sun-dried tomato, so I'm not really worried. That's fine. And I pick them up and sprinkle them on top as well. Couple of bay leaves, one per piece of fish, one in there and one in there. And one last drizzle of olive oil before they go in the oven. And there you go, very easy, very quick. And they're ready to go in the oven at 180 degrees, fan assisted, 200 if it's conventional, for 20 to 25 minutes. It's in a little while. And I'm back, exactly as I say, 25 minutes at 180 degrees, and it is cooked.
It smells lovely, everybody. Literally, I cannot explain.
First thing I'll do is to remove the bay leaves. I don't want them anymore. And ever so gently, because this is really fragile. Pick it up and move it on your plate. This is our light dinner. We went to watch a movie today and we had a hot dog and an ice cream, so we decided to keep it light tonight. So we will have this with a little salad and that will be it. I'll put some raw olive oil now on top as it is out of the oven. Personal choices. I put some salt, if you remember, in the marinade, but not in the fish. I always like to salt my food at the end, so I'll just sprinkle some on the top now, on top of the fish. Just a little, not a lot. Followed by a little parsley, which I've very finely chopped. This is clearly uncooked, which will add a different type of flavor. And I'll finish the dish before we go at the table with a little lemon juice. And if it smells good, the likelihood is that it will taste just as good. Actually, I want a little tomato as well. Honestly, even if you don't like fish, try it once and let me know how you get on. Absolutely wonderful. Delicious. Ciao ciao. Enjoy if you make it. Let me know how you get on. Arrivederci.